Hey class of 2022, I'm Sam Turcotte from the class of 2021.
And I'm Nick DiFusco from the class of 2019. And we're here today to tell you a little bit more about what you should and shouldn't bring for move-in day. Here's what to bring. Business professional clothes, like a suit to wear to presentations and networking events. Trust me, you're gonna need it. A UL-approved surge protector to plug in all your stuff. Twin XL sheets for your bed. A small fan to keep you cool and provide some white noise. Don't forget your toiletries and shower shoes. And don't forget your snow and rain stuff. It is New England after all.
And here are some things you can leave at home. First off, most of your wardrobe, because seriously, you're not gonna need them. Next, you can leave your laptop and backpacks at home, because when you get to campus, you're gonna get brand new ones. And then you can leave your printer at home. When you get your student ID, you'll have access to a bunch all over campus. And lastly, you can leave your pets at home, because Tupper 2's here to keep us company. So that's our advice for move-in day. Go
Bulldogs!